This is the Hirono Shelter, the new series of Hirono, designed by Lang. It was released July 19 globally in the online website, and it is released in Taiwan in stores on July 20, which is today, and hopefully I can post this by tomorrow. So let's open this up because I'm very excited. For this series, we have 12 designs, and 1 out of 144 may be a secret, and I hope I have one. So this box is really cool. It's like a wood texture. As always, the box of Hirono never disappoints. Let's open my new babies. Let's see what are my picks. I like birdcage, candle holder, sunny doll, and bear. And of course, I like to get the secret. I think the secret this series is really cool. It's a bear. Let's hope this is a secret. First box. Oh, he's slouching and he has a book. I haven't watched any of the videos related to this series, so I am seeing this for the first time, except for the photos that I saw online. It's poet. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, you are a circus. He's so cute. Oh my god, it's a candle. It is the candle. Oh my god, sorry. This is so exciting. It's so cute. Okay, the face reminds me of something. I think I found Who Do You Look Like? Huh? Same, right? They're both so cute. I love them both. Okay, this one fell out of the box, so let's open it. I gotta be careful because these things actually breaks. Oh my god, I think I like this one. Yes, he is one of my picks. It's so shiny too. Are you the secret? It's one of the box boys. Are you the secret? It's the sunny doll. Oh my god, I love the color of his hair. It's like periwinkle. I don't know. Those blue eyes too? He's so pretty. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. What? It's so cute. I wanted a keychain like this. I hope I hope a plushie will be available for Hirono, and I would like to have this one, please. I think the only problem I have with this kind of design is it doesn't really stand well. It does stand, but earthquake in Taiwan is pretty frequent, so I think it's not gonna stand really well. Oh, this one is quite big. Maybe your mantle clock? Oh, it's quite, how do I say it? It's soft. Oh, I was right. I was right. So that's one of the clues when you're looking for a mantle clock. It's not that shaky and it's kind of soft on the box. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, before we open them, let's look at the details. Don't disturb me. I know. Oh. Oh, his eyes are closed. Oh, just the other one. It doesn't open that much, but I don't want to break it. Still looking for birdcage, birdie, and a secret. Oh, it's alien. You have a lot of stuff in your head, so it's, that can break easily. And this one too. Oh my god, I have to be careful. It's your brother right here. They're both cute. I love the green hair this time. Alien. I have to be careful for this one. This one is soft. The other one too. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep. Why is he so mad about? You have grumpy neighbors? Oh, I didn't notice. That's so cute. It's Fort. Is it right? Yeah, it's Fort. It's birdcage, finally. It looks like a blue magic blanket. If you are in the Philippines, you know what blue magic is. Details. Please be the secret. It's Birdie. Oh. No, 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 no. It's so adorable. Oh my god. I want you as my nails for this month. For next month? Yes. Can someone please draw him as my nails? He's so adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is he? Is he a bird? Or a deer? Oh no. It's Twigs, right? Oh, are you an elf too? He's so adorable. Look at that. You will be a favorite. For sure. There you go. last one. Could it be the secret? Could it be? Oh my god. I don't have the secret as always. Wait. Oh yeah. It's definitely traffic cone. It is traffic cone. Oh! He has a bruise. Oh, poor Hirono. Oh, this again. It's another sad one. This is one of the figures that makes me feel so sad. He has bruises on and he's holding barbed wires around him. Yeah, this one definitely feels very sad. Let's go to the accessory. Don't cross, please. Or Hirono. Wait, how do I? Oh, no way. I think this is the first time that he has a magnet accessory. Yeah, that's cool at least. Very cool. Nice touch. And it's also shiny. Again, this is really sad. Finally, I have the complete set of Hirono Shelter. Now, it would be really difficult to find the secret this time, and it's probably gonna cost a lot of money from resellers. I'm probably not gonna get that, but I don't know. We'll see in the future if I want to buy it from a reseller. But anyway, it's gonna cost a lot more money, but we'll see.